let's do a crumble cookie mukbang! Ash, magpapaka-Kylie Jenner and Stas muna kami today. Raho, magpakita ka na. Where are you hiding?
Sabi mo, Ashley lang.
Dude, just for the intro! Amanda, say hi.
Hi.
As they all say, Borapi ka.
Gasting for absolutely nothing. Okay, what should we try first? So what we got for weekly flavors, cookies and cream milkshake, confetti cheesecake, sugar cookie, chocolate cupcake cookie. For the classic flavors, we just got the snickerdoodle and the regular chocolate chip. Okay, let's try it, guys. Wait, should I half or like take a bite na lang?
Bite na lang.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bite first.
How is it? Does it taste like milkshake?
No.
What does it taste like?
Bland. That's
What?
yeah. Again, I'm
Wait,
gonna
inside.
give it a second try.
Wala talaga.
Parang
It's
raw.
like an uncooked cookie. Okay, try it, guys. No?
It just tastes like the cream of the Oreo.
Guys, mas masarap pa cream O. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Cream O, you are the shit. Just know that.
Underbaked.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Here's how the confetti looks like. Okay. I'm scared of this one.
Is it a cupcake?
What's your reaction?
Okay, that one I like.
It's okay lang. It tastes like a birthday cake.
I
I'm
like
out of
it.
it.
I like it.
I like
I
it.
like it.
Birthday
Wait,
cake.
out of 10.
And the
Out of
cheesecake
10,
too.
maybe for me it's like a 5.
I think 8.
Mine's a 5.
It's 7. Sugar cookie.
How much was it?
I don't know. I forgot. 2K. May kalasa to sa Pinas.
I like this one a lot.
I'm trying to figure out kung anong kalasa niya sa Pinas. Palitaw. it tastes like palitaw. I
Wait,
don't even
what's-
know if like my
wait,
friends
wait.
know that.
What's
Oh,
palitaw?
no.
They don't know palitaw.
Parang puto.
Yeah!
Actually, we found the word.
I told you, palitaw
Puto.
or puto. That's how it tastes
Wait,
like.
what's palitaw?
You get me, Amanda. You
Wait,
really
what?
truly
Ano
get
yung
me,
palitaw?
Amanda. Get me.
No.
English, please.
Fine. I'm excited for this one.
Looks good.
Oh, absolutely. Yes. Ash, you will love this. I love chocolate.
Go on.
Maybe that's why. Wow.
Like,
Loki, it tastes like the brownie we ate yesterday.
How is it?
Bro, do you see my water in the freaking...
That's good frosting.
I like that.
Okay, that's
That's
the
the
winner
best.
for
Yeah.
this week's flavors.
Yeah, they ate with this one.
I agree.
8 out of 10 for me. The normal chocolate chip.
I don't know what this tastes like. Boring.
I mean, they're better ones.
There are definitely better ones.
Okay, next. Snickerdoodle. This tastes like cinnamon, right? Pass at the back. You wanna try, Ash?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Chocolate chips better pa.
So dry.
Tastes like nothing.